Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Nissan Sentra. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench, a new oil filter, and the correct type of fresh engine oil. It's best to warm up your engine slightly before you begin, but make sure it's not too hot to handle. Finally, park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. These initial steps ensure a smooth and efficient oil change process. Now, let's drain the old oil. First, locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position a drain pan directly underneath to catch the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old oil to flow completely into the pan. This might take several minutes. Once it's fully drained, clean the plug and reinstall it securely, making sure there are no leaks. Next, we'll replace the filter and add new oil. Carefully remove the old oil filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about an additional quarter turn. Finally, pour the recommended amount and type of new engine oil into the filler cap opening. For our final steps, let's ensure everything is perfect. Use your dipstick to check the new oil level, adding more if it's below the full mark. Then, start your engine for a minute or two to circulate the fresh oil and carefully recheck for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.